Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can create a paginated report based on the shared data set. Okay, we are going to use some kind of jargons here like semantic model, shared data set, uh, and we will see step by step how we can create a paginated report in this situation. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so before jump into the video, what is semantic model? Basically, um, so these are all my video, reports, and if you see, uh, the type mentioned as paginated report, somewhere it is mentioned report, and somewhere it is mentioned as a semantic model. So to understand little bit in an easier way, let's go to the other view. Okay, so I will take an example here. Suppose I have a financial sample Excel, and from this Excel I have created a semantic model. Okay, and from this model I have created two reports. Okay, one the simple report and the other is paginated report. Now the semantic model means this model captures the relationship which I created in Power BI Desktop, the calculations and the structure of the data. Okay, on top of the data which I received from the source system, I have modified the data. I have added some kind of measures, calculated columns or the relationships. All those informations are stored in the semantic model. Now the model is ready for me. I need to consume this model from different reports or from the different semantic model, and I need to create a paginated report. This is what I want to do here. Okay, let's go back to the report here. um, okay, so first of all, let me open the Power BI builder. Okay, will not edit this one, but I will create a new one from the scratch. How I can use this semantic model from this service, and I can create it. Okay, so for that, let me create a new report. Okay, this is the new one, and now I don't have any data set here. Okay, and I don't have any data source. So for this data source, I have to select the new option, Power BI dataset connections, and you have to log in with the credential, the Power BI service, which service you want to consume, because all the semantic model are present in Power BI service. Now I have already logged in. Let me go to the this data say data set with which I want to work with. Let me select this paginated report v1. Okay, this is the semantic model. I have selected it. Now click OK. The data source I have already now connected. Okay, now I don't have any data set. Data set means the table. I need the table. Which table I need? Okay, for this you have to do a workaround. Okay, so you have to go back to the service, and suppose the page this report, okay, this semantic model, and you have to download this file. When you click on this download file, this report pbix or Power BI file, the source file will download in your local system if you don't have already. Okay, now this is the file which I open, and suppose this report is not present in the table visual. Okay, suppose that is in a matrix or some other visual like a stack bar chart or something. First of all, you have to create or you have to convert that report into table visual, because that is the requirement for a paginated report. Okay, once, because I need a table, right? So simple table for my as kind of a data set. Now once I have converted or I have created a table visual with the columns which I want. Okay, okay, now let me remove this, and I will go back, go click on this view, click on this performance analyzer. Okay, now I have to click on the start recording and click on this refresh visual. Once you click on this, you have to expand this table option, and you in the end you will see copy query. Okay, so this is the DAX query. I will explain what is DAX and all in another video. But right now, let me copy the DAX code here. Okay, so this is the DAX code I have. Let me copy it back and go back to the um, report builder. Okay, now click on the add dataset. I have to select the source which I have already. Now click on the query designer. Okay, so meantime, I have copied the structure of the table in a DAX format, because the DAX format is required to create a data set here. Okay, you have to make sure the DAX option is selected here, and you have to click on this design mode and paste the DAX query which you have copied. Now click on this execute query to see the DAX query which you copied have is correct and showing the results, expected results. Once this is done, click on OK. Now the DAX query is ready, and you can click on OK again to go back to the data set. So once you click OK, the tables or the expected information for the report will be available for you. From that point, okay, now you can see the data set is ready with the three columns, and the three columns which I selected here. Okay, here. So now I want to create a report on top of the data set. What I have to do? So let me go back to the insert table, insert a table. Now I have a table here. Click month name, product, segmentation, click on the run button. Let me see the report is rendered or not. Here it is. So in this entire video, we saw how I have consumed the existing semantic model from the Power BI service and created a paginated report. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.